This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming model and firmware because compatibility matters. Once done, pick the correct cable and adapter. Plug-in power or ensure battery is above 50% so updates won't fail. Next, make sure your phone or laptop has the camera app installed and you know the Wi-Fi name and password. These steps prevent interruptions and speed the rest of the process. Now connect the cable loosely, don't force it, and proceed to power on the camera so it enters pairing mode. Once the camera is powered, place it in pairing or access point mode. The button sequence varies by model, so press and hold as required. Then, on your phone or laptop, join the camera's temporary Wi-Fi network or complete Bluetooth pairing, depending on the workflow. Open the manufacturer's app and follow prompts. You'll enter your home Wi-Fi SSID and password so the camera can leave AP mode. Make sure firmware checks complete. This step finalizes secure registration and avoids future connection drops. You finish by assigning a clear name, setting time zone, and granting app permissions so recordings and alerts work correctly. This aids recall and troubleshooting. Then test live view, trigger motion detection, and verify recordings go to the SD card or cloud storage. If anything fails, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reboot your router and camera, then re-enter Wi-Fi credentials. If that doesn't work, perform a factory reset and repeat pairing. Keep notes of error messages to speed support if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.